Innie windows are windows in thick walls that are flush to the inside of the wall. They begin like any other wall. Studs, sheathing, and a layer of house wrap. Cut the house wrap tight to the window openings. Sloping the sill allows any water that leaks in to flow out. Add some flashing tape to the sill, but don't stick the downhill leg to the house wrap yet. Instead, adhere a wider strip to extend out past the thickness of the foam later. Install jam flashing extending into the opening as far as the window will go and out past where the exterior casing will extend. Install the window plumb, level, square, and centered in the opening. Tape the flanges with upper pieces overlapping lower. Fold the head flap down and tape the seams with contractor tape. In animation land, gravity can be suspended, but you'll have to tuck the foam under the flap. If using 2 layers, install them perpendicular to each other, and weave the corners, outside and inside corners. Fold the sill flashing down and seal it to the foam now. To cover the exposed edges of foam, make extension jams pre-assembled to some casing and install to the window. Tape the seams and corners to complete the air barrier, and your sheltered Innie window will be safe and dry.